Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who keeps an eye on the Indian auto market, especially the commercial vehicle space, then today's video is for you. We're diving into the all-new TATA Winger 9-seater auto rickshaw model 2025. Yes, you heard that right, TATA Motors is redefining what we know about group transport and last-mile mobility. Is it just an upgraded Winger, or is it something that could replace the age-old auto rickshaw? Let's find out. The TATA Winger has always been a popular choice among fleet owners, school transport operators, and tour services. But in 2025, TATA has taken a bold step by introducing a unique variant, a compact, 9-seater auto rickshaw-style model that sits somewhere between a classic rickshaw and a minivan. This version is tailor-made for urban and semi-urban commuting, where affordability and practicality go hand in hand. Built on TATA's reliable monocoque chassis, this model combines the ruggedness of a commercial van with the agility of a rickshaw. Design and build of the 2025 Winger 9-seater looks like a smaller cousin of the standard Winger, but with a sleeker, more compact design. It sports a new front fascia, LED headlamps, updated bumpers, and a stylish grille that carries TATA's signature look. The dimensions are tighter, making it easier to maneuver through crowded city lanes, and the turning radius is optimized for urban driving. TATA has designed this model with aerodynamics in mind, reducing drag and improving mileage. It rides on smaller but sturdier wheels and features a reinforced suspension to handle both passengers and bumpy roads. Interior comfort: step inside, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. The TATA Winger 9-seater auto rickshaw doesn't feel like your average three-wheeler. Instead, you get a cabin that is spacious, well ventilated, and designed for comfort. The seating is arranged in a 2x3 and 3x4 configuration, maximizing space without compromising on legroom. The driver gets a modern dashboard with digital instrumentation, Bluetooth-enabled infotainment, and even USB charging ports. TATA knows today's commercial drivers need to stay connected and efficient. The seats are cushioned with fabric or vinyl options, depending on the variant. There are also seatbelts for every passenger, a rare but much-needed safety upgrade in the public transport space. Engine and performance of the 2025 model is powered by TATA's refined 2.0 LBS 6-phase 2 diesel engine, delivering around 100 bhp and 200 Nm of torque. For an auto rickshaw-type vehicle, that's impressive power. It's mated to a smooth 5-speed manual gearbox. What sets it apart from traditional rickshaws is how quiet and stable it feels on the road. It accelerates smoothly, climbs and climbs effortlessly, and remains fuel efficient, offering a mileage of around 15 to 17 km under city conditions. TATA is also planning to launch seeing an electric variants of this model soon, making it even more attractive for eco-conscious operators. Safety and features: safety is a big win here. Apart from seatbelts, you get ABS, rear parking sensors, and hill hold assist, features unheard of in typical rickshaw segments. The stronger frame and crumple zones further enhance passenger safety. There's also an emergency exit window at the back and fire extinguisher placement near the driver's seat, both welcome additions for public transport use. Use cases and competition: this model is designed with multiple users in mind, ideal for shared transport, employee shuttles, school vans, and even rural mobility programs. It competes directly with Mahindra Supro, Force Traveler City, and Piaggio's Ape City Plus in certain segments. But its biggest strength: it's a blend of auto rickshaw economics and minivan comfort. TATA has nailed the balance between low operating cost and high passenger satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart. Goodbye.